The top tools and apps for getting more work done from home. Working from home is a mixed blessing. On the one hand, you'll now have the freedom to work from the comfort of your own four walls. You can drink as much coffee as you like, and you don't have a commute. But on the flip side, you're surrounded by distractions. You can't easily speak to your colleagues, and you need to manage your time entirely by yourself. That's where the top apps and gadgets can come in handy for helping you to do more. Let's talk about some of the best. Asana. For managing big projects with a team of collaborators, tools like Basecamp and Asana are invaluable. Asana will let you create new tasks, assign people, and share updates with collaborators. You can add attachments too, and there are apps available for all major platforms. Slack. Slack is essentially WhatsApp for teams. Sending an email to ask small questions is time-consuming and certainly not optimal. So Slack exists to let you speak to colleagues as you might do by tapping them on the shoulder in a real office setting. Watch out though, Slack can be a time sink. TODOIST. If you tend to work solo, then TODOIST is a similarly indispensable tool. This is a to-do app that will let you create tasks for yourself and set reminders. It's available on all major platforms, and there's even an Apple Watch app. The best feature of TODOIST is the natural language interpretation. This lets you say things like, take the trash out every Monday, which will then automatically renew on Monday with a due date for that day. Notion. Notion is a note-taking app that is significantly more powerful than most of the competition. That's because each note can become a database, a flowchart, or a page. You can embed images, videos, and even websites. And you can even export your notes as HTML websites. The whole tool is far more like a content management system in terms of what it can do, and many people refer to it as their second brain. Freedom. For those who struggle not to get distracted by the web without a boss breathing over their shoulder, Freedom is an app that lets you block specific apps and web pages. That means you can't access Facebook during work hours, which can instantly quadruple your work output.